Trust is like a streaker. Trust is like a streaker. Once it removed, it cannot work as it worked earlier. Do not keep your mind empty for long time. Do not keep your mind empty for long time. In this world, negative thoughts are more attractive than positive. When people say you give up now, you can't do it. When people say you give up now, you can't do it, give them a smile and tell them, I want to see what happens if I don't give up. If you cannot dream of being a winner, if you cannot dream of being a winner, then you can't be the winner. Because the dream is the seed of the tree called success. Try to be with positive thoughts. Try to be with positive thoughts. It will always give you the light to win in the darkness of failures. Every morning, tell yourself. Every morning, tell yourself that today is a new chance and I am with new energy. I can do that what I couldn't do yesterday. Don't wait for someone to come and boost you. Don't wait for someone to come and boost you. Get up, kick yourself, and tell that I can do it myself. Don't be disappointed when you have failed. Don't be disappointed when you have failed. But thanks yourself for getting a new chance to find a new way. Don't try to be the person so that people like you. Don't try to be the person so people like you. Be as you are. Right people will love the real you. The greatest happiness is doing that work what people said you can't do. Today, if you feel the pain doing your work, be happy because today's pain is being converted into tomorrow's strength. Every thought comes to you is a seed. Every thought comes to you is a seed. Be careful before giving it. Because what you give, you will get that tomorrow. Do you know what sun says every day? Every sunrise says that rise up and go for what you want. And every sunset says be calm. We will go tomorrow once again. We cannot become stronger by winning. We cannot become stronger by winning, but we become stronger by facing the struggles and problems. So, if you are struggling, think that you are going to see the strong you. Entire world say me, accept that you are lost. Entire world say me that, accept that you are lost. But my attitude say, can we try it one more time? Friends, if you like this video, then please share your opinion. Your opinion inspires us to do much better. And do not forget to like and subscribe. So, enjoy your time.